Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will encapsulate important points of US-Iran tensions. So if any MCQ come from this particular topic, you will be able to solve it easily. Starting with its background, US-Iran relations collapsed after Iranian Revolution of 1979 and US embassy hostage crisis of 1980. What exactly happened in that crisis was that some students seized US embassy in Iran and held 52 Americans as hostages. Next, US has accused Iran for decades of pursuing nuclear weapons, supporting proxy militias, developing ballistic missile and destabilizing Middle East. Iran argues its nuclear power is for civilian purpose and calls US sanctions as economic warfare. In 2015, Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action temporarily eased tensions in exchange for sanctions relief. But later on, US withdrew from this deal and reimposed sanctions that further exacerbate the relation between USA and Iran in 2018. Sanctions targeted Iranian oil exports, banking system, shipping, foreign firms dealing with Iran, military-linked companies IRGC, due to which Iran relied upon China for oil trade and developed proximity with proxy groups Hezbollah, Houthis, Hamas, Shiite militias, and also indulged in indirect financial networks to bypass sanctions. Now we will have a look at US-Iran War of 2026. On Feb 28, 2026, US started Operation Epic Fury and Israel started Operation Roaring Lion. Initial assault included 1,200 bombs in 24 hours and 900 strikes within 12 hours, in which Ali Khamenei, supreme leader of Iran, was martyred. And this attack is considered as largest combat in Israel airface history. Israel targeted missile bases, air defense, IRGC facilities, strike on girls' school, command centers, leadership compounds. One of the worst strike was on girls' high school near Minab, in which 160 to 180 civilians, mostly schoolgirls, martyred. And it was anticipated that strike was Tomahawk cruise by American forces. Next, we will look at how Iran retaliated. Iran started Operation Fateh Khyber, ballistic missile attacks, drone swarms, attacks on US bases, Gulf military infrastructure, Israel targets, and oil facilities. Next, Strait of Hormuz. You must know that 20% of global oil trade is ensued through this passage. Biggest oil supply shock since 1970s energy crisis. Let me take you back to the oil crisis of 1973, when Arab oil producers halted supply of oil towards Western supporters of Israel, and it was a huge global fuel crisis. After attacks, Iran restricted Strait of Hormuz in retaliation. 20,000 sailors and 800 plus ships were reportedly stranded. Oil prices increased 115 per barrel. US naval actions included Project Freedom, launched by US Maritime Escort Project to reopen Hormuz shipping lanes. It was seized amid ceasefire talks. Pentagon estimated US war cost at